Hi, welcome to Tap Tech. Today, we're reviewing the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. I've been testing this drone for a week. I've flown it in different conditions. I've checked every feature, every mode, and every update. And now, I'm ready to share everything with you. In this video, we'll go over the full design, camera quality, performance, flight experience, and features. I'll also compare it with the Mavic 3 Pro and give you my full verdict at the end. Let's get started. The first thing you notice is the design. The Mavic 4 Pro looks a lot like the Mavic 3 series. But there are small changes that make it feel more refined. The build quality is better. It feels stronger and more premium in the hands. The folding arms are smoother and the body is slightly slimmer. It still has that classic Mavic shape, but now it's more aerodynamic. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in a backpack. It's not ultra-light, but the weight feels balanced. This helps a lot in windy conditions. DJI has made a few design tweaks for better airflow and heat management. Even after longer flights, the drone stays cool. There's also a new color tone. It's darker, with a matte finish. It looks professional and sleek. The camera housing is more protected now, and the sensors are slightly reshaped. The props are new too. They're quieter than before and help with efficiency. They also reduce noise during flight, which makes filming more discreet. Now let's talk about the controller. The Mavic 4 Pro works perfectly with the new RC Pro 2. It has a bright 1080p display. You can see everything clearly even under sunlight. The buttons feel solid. The joysticks are more responsive. And the overall grip is very comfortable. Setting up the drone is simple. Unfold it, power it on, and connect it to the controller. The drone pairs quickly. Firmware updates are fast and stable. A flight time is one of the best things here. The Mavic 4 Pro gives you up to 45 minutes of flight. In real-world use, I got around 40 to 43 minutes on average. That's very impressive for a drone with this much power. Battery management is excellent. The new battery system charges faster and lasts longer. DJI has improved heat distribution, so the drone can fly longer without getting too hot, and if you have the Fly More combo, you get extra batteries and a charging hub. This makes it easy to swap and fly again quickly. Now let's talk about what really matters, the camera. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro has a triple camera system. And it's one of the best you'll find on any drone today. The main camera is a 4 of 3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor. It captures stunning 5.7K video at up to 60 frames per second. Photos are sharp, colorful, and full of detail. Low-light performance is also much better than before. Then there's the medium telephoto lens. It offers 3x optical zoom. It's perfect for close-up shots without flying too near to the subject. Image quality is still excellent even with zoom, and finally, the long-range telephoto lens. This one gives you 10x optical zoom. It's very helpful when you want to film distant subjects like animals, buildings, or mountain peaks, without getting too close. Switching between cameras is quick. The app interface makes it smooth and simple. All 3 lenses support ProRes and 10-bit D-Log-M. That means you get more flexibility in color grading. The new image processor inside the drone makes everything faster. There's less lag when capturing photos or videos. And the HDR quality has improved a lot. DJI has also added some AI-based features. The drone can now auto-detect scenes and adjust camera settings. It helps you get great shots even if you're not a pro. When it comes to flight performance, the Mavic 4 Pro is outstanding. It's fast, stable, and very responsive. Even in strong wind, the drone holds its position. Controls are smooth and accurate. Top speed is around 75 km per hour in sport mode. It's fun and powerful when you want speed. But the drone also supports gentle and slow flying for cinematic footage. The obstacle avoidance system has been improved. The drone has sensors on all sides, front, back, top, bottom, and sides. These sensors work together to keep the drone safe. They detect objects and automatically avoid them in real time. The new APAS 6.0 system works better than before. It's smarter and faster. You can trust the drone to fly through complex environments. The return-to-home system is also smarter. It calculates the best path back based on surroundings and battery level. It doesn't just fly in a straight line, it avoids obstacles along the way. To Active Track 6.0 is another highlight. It locks onto subjects and follows them smoothly. Whether you're walking, cycling, or driving, the drone keeps you in the frame. The tracking is precise, and the transitions between camera angles look cinematic. You also get master shots and quick shots. These are great for beginners. With just a tap, the drone captures pre-programmed shots like orbit, rocket, and boomerang. It's a quick way to create stunning clips with no editing. Waypoint flying has been upgraded too. Now you can plan advanced routes with camera movements. The drone follows them exactly. This is perfect for repeat shots or creative planning. And let's talk about O4 transmission. This is DJI's latest video transmission system. It offers up to 20 kilometers range with stable 1080p live feed. In my tests, I never had signal drops or lag. Even in areas with interference, the connection stayed strong. The latency is ultra low. What you see on the controller screen is almost real-time. This makes flying and filming feel natural and responsive. DJI Fly app has also been improved. The interface is cleaner. Menus are easier to access. And you can quickly change camera settings, flight modes, and more. Downloading footage to your phone is faster than before. Now, let's talk about editing. If you shoot in 10-bit or ProRes, you'll love the flexibility in post. The colors are rich. Shadows and highlights are well preserved. Even after editing, the quality stays sharp. DJI also offers Light Cut, an AI-powered app for editing. It analyzes your footage and suggests templates. It's useful if you want quick edits without using a laptop. Now, let's compare the Mavic 4 Pro with the Mavic 3 Pro. The 4 Pro feels more refined overall. It's faster. It flies longer. And the image quality is slightly better thanks to better processing. Obstacle avoidance is smarter. The tracking system is more accurate. And the O4 transmission is a big step up from the older system, but there are some similarities too. Both drones have similar camera layouts. Both support ProRes and advanced shooting features. So if you already own the Mavic 3 Pro, the upgrade might not feel massive. But if you're using an older drone like the Mavic 2 Pro, the jump is huge. Now, let's talk about price. The Mavic 4 Pro is not cheap. The base version starts at around $2,199. If you want the Fly More combo, you'll pay more. And if you go for the Cine version with ProRes support, it gets even more expensive, but for what it offers, it's worth the price. This drone is made for serious creators, filmmakers, and professionals. It's packed with premium features: battery life, camera quality, transmission range, and intelligent flight, all top-notch. If you're a casual user, this drone might be overkill. But if you want the best portable drone out there, the Mavic 4 Pro delivers. After a week of flying, I can say it's the best drone DJI has made so far. Everything works smoothly. The upgrades feel real. It's reliable, powerful, and creative. From the camera to the controls, it's all polished. You'll get stunning footage, smarter flying, and a better overall experience. That wraps up our full review of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tap Tech. We'll be back with more honest reviews, deep dives, and tech talk. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.